Good afternoon, class. So at this point, you guys had homework. The homework was on exercise 4.4, correct? Right. So in question 4.4, you had to do the second row or second column, no? Second column. Was there any issues with number 1 in this first column here? No problems. Number 2. Sorry? Yes. Number 4? No. Number 6? Yes. Okay, so it's number 2, number 6, number 8. And there's no 10. Okay. And 10, is there a problem with 10? No. Okay, so it's just 2 and 6, no? Why? Tell me now. I must go back. Number 6. Number 10. This is exercise 4.4. Page 75. 8. 78. Okay. So in number 2 we are told that write A as the subject of the formula for Sn is equal to, S is equal to n over 2 into A plus L. So to make A the subject of the formula, what do we need to do first? Get rid of the 2. So I multiply throughout by 2. You all okay with that? Okay. Why is it doing that? Okay. So A. So it's going to be, you multiply throughout by 2. Looks like I must restart the program. I'm not going to do it now, as we know we're late already. So it's going to be 2s is equal to, not much of the PD left. The 2's cancel. Leaves you with n into A plus L. What do I do next? Sorry? What am I going to do next? Divide by n. Okay? Or I could have multiplied n. Alright. So it's A plus L is equal to 2s over n. Now what? You want A on its own, so I'm going to take L over. So you take L over, so it's going to be A is equal to 2s over n minus L. Or you could have had 2s minus nl over n. You had written it as one fraction. And the second part of the question says, evaluate A or determine the value of A. If S is equal to 38,5, N is 11 and L is 11.5. So A is equal to 2 times S, which is 38.5, over N, which is 11 minus L, which is 11,5. So you put that in your calculator, you only have 2 times 3, 38,5. That's over 11. minus 11.5. That gives us negative 4.5. Okay. Is that okay, people?
Yes.
Right, let's look at the next one. Look at number 6. 6a. We are told if v is equal to 4 over 3 power cube, determine R if v is 147. Did I say make v the subject? Okay, v is the subject of the formula. So v is equal to 4 over 3 pi, just 3,14 or 22 over 7, or you can use a pi in a calculator. V is given. Whoops. So we can either substitute that into v, or we're going to make R the subject of your formula. Okay? So I expected them to first make R the subject of the formula. So to get rid of 4 over 3, I divide both sides by 4 over 3. So it's going to be V 4 over 3, that's 4 over 3 pi r cubed, divided by 4 over 3. Of course that cancels. Gives you a pi r cubed is equal to, now 1 divided by 4 over 3 is 3 over 4. Okay, so 3 over 4v. Now I divide by pi both sides. So r cubed is equal to 3 over 4v over pi. And at this point I then take the cube root both sides. So then r is equal to the cube root of 3 over 4 times v over pi. So that they are made r the subject of the formula. What do we do from here? We just substitute now v is equal to 147. So it's going to be r is equal to the cube root of 3 over 4 times 147 over pi. So in the calculator, so cube root of fraction, you got 3 over 4 in the numerator, times 147 over pi. So you should shift this button here at the bottom, give us 3,27. Is that correct, people? 3,27. Okay. This formula is given for the volume of a solid. Which one?
Sphere.
A sphere, yes. That's the volume of a sphere. And then the last one. How did you know that? How do you know that, Michael? You get the answer? Okay, nice. You improvise. But this formula we deal with in grade 11, okay? When we do the volume of solids, other than the normal right and prism that we normally deal with. Okay, right prisms. So make X a subject of the formula. This formula is a financial maths in grade 12. Okay. So, but making X a subject of the formula, that is grade 10. Okay. So as you can see, we are preparing you for grade 11, for grade 12. Okay. You guys not taking your class is serious. So then I don't know where you're going to find ourselves in grade 11. No? But you guys don't care, so it's fine. So that's over 1, so what do we do? Cross multiply. I times f is fi, or if, equals x into 1 plus I to the exponent n minus 1. What do I do now? Divide by x, or you multiply the x in. You're going to divide by x. That cancels. So 1 plus I to the n minus 1 is equal to fi over x. Now what do we do? Take the 1 over. So 1 plus I to the n equals fi over x plus 1. Now what do we do? No, they want x as the subject of the formula. Or either they wanted you to make I the subject of the formula. Sorry. I'm thinking now, why they want you to go so far? And you guys are only babies. Walaikum salam. People, first steps first, still the first same thing. So if I is equal to x into 1 plus I to the n minus 1. How do I get x on its own? Divided by that bracket, not so. 1 plus I to the n minus 1 both sides. Do I need a bracket around that? No. So therefore x is equal to if I over 1 plus I to the n minus 1. Okay, why did you tell me what's going wrong? You also went wrong. So you got it right. So why did you tell me I'm going wrong? You scared of me? You stood. Now I'm half of the time wrong. So I need you to tell me what's wrong. Okay, people, for homework. Did I give you a past paper yet to prepare for the upcoming exam? No. So what I'm going to send to the group is last year's control test. Okay, that is your work for Monday. Last year, control test 1. Okay, is that okay? Right, people enjoy the weekend. Good morning, class. Salam, how are you? Take your socks off, man. You got me socks and slippers. Sold up. Sold up. Bye, enjoy the weekend. Bye.